If you have studied only a little, if you have not, by means of reasoning, gained certainty in the fundamental mode of being, and if you are not in possession of the key points of the Pith instructions, you may rest without fabrication in a completely blank state of mind, without understanding or perceiving anything. But how could you possibly come anywhere near the state of absence of conceptual construction? By contrast, if you have managed to perfect your investigation of the fundamental mode of being, or if you are in possession of the Pith instructions for settling the mind, the light of wisdom, in which all four extremes are simultaneously discarded, will become clear. Therefore, the realization through certain knowledge of the non-figurative ultimate is, generally speaking, to be posited as the realization of the ultimate in just the same way that all objects understood through inferential reasoning, which understands by way of mental images or object generalities, are to be referred to as realizations. For instance, through reasoning, one comes to the realization that there are past and future lives,